Hi, I'm Photo Junkie from photoshopbus.co.uk. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Free Transform. It's a tool that you're going to find you use quite a lot in Photoshop, and I'm going to show you it on this example, which is a basketball player rendered out, and also on text. I'll show you why we're going to use it on text later. Let's start off with this. You get to Free Transform via the edit menu. So let me just sort that out. Now it should work okay. Edit, Free Transform. You can just go to Transform and you can choose any of these, but you're locked into that. So if you only want to rotate or do perspective, then sure, go ahead, but I prefer to use Free Transform. The shortcut is Control T, and as I like using shortcuts, I'm going to use Control T to bring up Free Transform. Now the first thing I want to show you is you can right click in here and choose any of these options. So you can rotate, flip horizontal, vertically, warp, perspective, distort, skew, rotate and scale. Now I won't go through each of them and show you what they do. You can just play with them and find out. I mean, they're basically self-explanatory, and if you go back to Free Transform, it just lets you play with these handles. If you come outside the box, the little pointer arrow turns to a sort of a bent line with some arrows on it, and you can rotate the image like so. You can also hold down Control and you can skew the image like so. Grab the middle one, skew it. So yes, you have got skew from the menu, which lets you do the same thing, but it's just kind of quicker to hold down Control and do it. Okay, so that's Free Transform on an object like this. If you want to do Free Transform on text, I'm going to quickly show you something. It's now a text layer, so it's editable. We're going to press Control T. Now you've got the same options, except you ain't got distort, perspective and a couple more there. Well, you can still skew by holding down Control and moving in, but notice as you skew, this end skews as well, so it skews like that. If you just wanted to skew one side and then skew the other side, say you wanted to put it onto a billboard or a sign or something like that, and you wanted to match it up to the perspective of that board, then there's a better way to do it. Let's tick OK, press Control Z. We're going to right click on that and we're going to convert it to a shape. Now we can't edit the text no more. Let's just go to the paths and click off. Right, let's press Control T now, and now if we hold down Control and skew, you notice only one side is skewing, it ain't skewing the other side as well. So we could match it up to whatever we're trying to put it on. If you right click on it, because it is a shape, you now get some of these options back. So that's another thing to remember, and another good thing about converting it to a shape. And all other free transforms apply. So don't forget to visit us at photoshopbus.co.uk, where we've got hundreds more tutorials and thousands of free renders.